Joining me on the podcast right now from Magnificent Maid is Dustin Richie. Hello, Dusty. Dustin.
Hello.
Yeah, how are you today?
You can call me Dusty. People.
I know it just came out that way. Hey, okay, we'll call you that, right?
I've been called worse.
Been called worse. Magnificent Maid. I mean, you guys are relatively new in the area, right?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah.
So we're just about a year in Bucyrus here. Tiffin, we just hit our 2-year mark.
Mm-hmm.
So, but Bucyrus, we're just about a year. So.
Oh wow, okay. And you started where at?
In Tiffin.
In Tiffin, okay.
So we started in Tiffin back in 2021, and we just been growing and growing from there. So.
Really? Now, have you grown even more since we talked?
We have. So we're actually in the process of opening a Fremont, Ohio office.
Oh, great.
We're growing north now, going up that way towards the lake. So, but working on a Fremont office as we speak. So.
That's really cool, man. Yeah, Congratulations on that.
Thank you.
I mean, you don't just get that way just by by magic. You guys really earned that, and you guys really. I've heard nothing but great things about you guys, and I know that you guys work really hard. You guys have been around. I mean, like you said, you've expanded like real quick. So I mean,
we have. So we're up to about 43 employees now at this point,
oh,
and
good.
We've exploded. We've absolutely exploded. So, but we welcome it. We have open hours, and we are still currently looking for clients at all locations. So
okay, and you are a cleaning service. Do you do residential and business, or just business, or
we do. We're very heavy commercial.
Okay.
We do a lot of businesses, large factories, even and smallest of offices. So we can handle anything as far as commercial goes, and same with residential. We have 1,000 square foot homes to 3,000.
Right,
so,
sure, right.
We cater to anybody, and we're there to help anybody who needs it. So.
Awesome. Now, did your mom started this, or you started for your mom, didn't you?
Started it for my mother, yes. Mm-hmm. So
I remember,
it's something for her to do in retirement, and she was very efficient. So she absolutely was the spearhead of getting this growing so quickly. So with her great work and hired a couple of people in there, she trained them, and the rest is history to this point. So
that's great. I mean, congratulations on that. If somebody is interested in your service, what do they need to do?
We're on Facebook, so you can hop on Facebook, check us out on there. Also, we have a website. It's www.magnificentmaid.com. So they can get on there and send us some information, contact us through there. Also, they can call us 419-561 4429. So that's our number. So other than that, we're very reachable. Yeah. So you can find us on Google search and all that. So
now, like in cleaning, what kind of services do you guys provide? What all can you guys do?
So we can do deep cleaning, and that's pulling out couches, chairs, things like that. Whatever the client needs, we can absolutely take care of. And then we also offer, just the general stuff, the biweekly, once a month, whatever the client needs. I think I've said that 3 times. So that's the big thing for us is, catering to our clients. Whatever they need, we take care of them. So I walk through every prospective client's home or business, and, I write down everything that they are possibly looking for, get all the details down, and then we build a work order from there. So
you tailor to whatever their needs are, right?
Absolutely. It's very a la carte. So
exactly. Because some places might just need, trash dumped and cleaned up in every couple days or whatever, and some places might say, hey, I need this all moved out and cleaned and all this stuff.
Absolutely right. You're absolutely right. So
all right, Dustin, anything we didn't cover? Anything else you want to
No.
Are you guys looking to expand anywhere else besides Fremont?
We are down the road, so we're actually going to grow towards the lake. So that's where we're kind of heading. So Port Clinton, Sandusky, heading up towards that way. So, but first things first, we got to get Fremont going.
Yeah, sure.
And get that growing over there to where then it makes sense to keep going. So,
sure, exactly.
We got to take care of our other 2 sites as well, make sure they're strong. So
if you're in the Fremont area and you're looking for a service to clean your business or your home, look up Magnificent Maid, right?
Yes.
And how do they do that? How can they do that?
So they can hop on Facebook. They can hop on website magnificentmaid.com. or call us 419-561-4429. So,
All right.
but yeah.
All right. Well, thank you so much for coming in today. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
And congratulations on the
Appreciate it.
Fremont office.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.